champ, how are you doing? I hope that you are safe and you are healthy at your home. So champ, welcome again into another amazing session and I'm your master teacher Shivam Gupta. In today's class, we are going to discuss about the construction of the tangents. So let's just start champ. So champ, in today's class, we will see that how we can construct any tangent at a given point or from an external point, and let's say if in some case the angle between the two tangents are given to us, then how to draw those kind of tangent. Let's see in today's class. So let's just start with a given point. Now champ, let's say we have a circle and on that circle we have a given point. On that we have to draw one tangent. Now there could be two possibilities. The first one, that we know the center of the circle, and the second possibility could be that we don't know that what is the center of the circle. So let's discuss both the cases one by one. The first one, let's say champ, if we know that what is the center of the circle and we know that the radius of the circle also, then how we can draw the tangent at any given point? Let me show you. So look at in this video that we know the point O, the center of the circle, we know the radius, so we can draw the circle. Yes. Now let's say we have a point P through which we have to draw the tangent. So simple, join the center and the point P and draw the angle OPT, which will be equal to 90 degree. And once we get OPT equal to 90 degree, as we can see over here, so now after that champ, once we get the point T, which is making the 90 degree angle with the radius OP, extend that line and the T and T dash is the tangent of the circle at a given point P. So champ, in this process, we have followed some very specific steps. In the first one, we have drawn a circle with a given center and the given radius. Then we know that there is one point P on which we have to draw one tangent. Now champ, what we did, that we joined the center and a given point P and we drew the angle OPT equal to 90 degree. And simple, extend that line up to the T dash and that line will be the tangent on the circle at a given point P. I hope it is clear to you. Very good. So now champ, let's discuss the case. What if we don't know that what is the center of the circle? So in this case, we don't know that what is the center of the circle. Let me show you that how we have to proceed. So in this case, let's see the circle is given to us, champ, and the point P is given to me. Now simple, draw one chord PQ and we will be getting two different segments. One is major, one is minor. So it's your wish, but simply we have to take one more point R either in the major or in the minor segment. Simply join R with the Q, R with the P. Then with the alternate segment theorem, we can say that angle QRP will be equal to the angle QPY. Right? So we draw the line PY such that these two angles are equal, and after that simply extend the line and you will get the tangent. So champ, in this process what we have done, that first we have drawn a circle with unknown center. Then at a point P we have to draw the tangent. So what we did, we simply champ join 2 points P and Q in order to make a one chord. Now either in the major or in the minor R, simply take a point R and join with the P and Q. Now with the help of alternate segment theorem, we know that the angle QRP will be equal to the angle QPY, and that is why we have drawn one more line PY such that these two angles will be equal. Now champ, in the last, simply extend the line PY up to the X and the line XY is the tangent on the circle at a given point P. I hope it is clear to you. Very good. Now champ, let's see that how to draw the tangent from an external point. With the same two cases. In one case, we know that what is the center of the circle. In the other case, we don't know that what is the center of the circle. So let's get started with the first one. So now champ, let's say in this one, we know that what is the center of the circle and the external point P is also given to us. Very simply, champ, join the point P and the center. Then simply, champ, draw the altitude, draw the perpendicular bisector on the line OP, and champ, let's say the point of intersection with the line OP is the point Q. Now simply take OQ as the radius and Q as the center, draw a circle. My new circle will be intersecting the old circle at the point T and T dash. Now simply join the point T and T dash with the P, you will get your answer. So champ, in this one what we have done, that simply we join the external point P with the given center O. After that we find the right bisector of the line OP. Let's say that is intersecting at the point Q. After that we have taken OQ as a radius and Q as a center. We have drawn one more circle, and that new circle is intersecting the given circle at T and T dash. In the last champ, simply join T and T dash with the point P, and you will get two tangents on the circle from a external given point. I hope it is clear to you. So now champ, let me show you that how we can draw two tangents if we don't know that what is the center of the circle from an external point. In this one champ, we can see that we have a point P and a circle without a center. So what to do? Simply draw one secant PAB where it is intersecting the circle at point A and at point P. Now champ, simply extend the line AP up to C such that AP equal to PC. Now from here, simply champ, what to do? From point C, as a BC as a diameter, draw one semicircle as a BC as a diameter. So champ, we will get one semicircle where BC is playing the role of the diameter of that semicircle. Now champ, after that what to do? After making that semicircle, simply take the point P. Now champ, simply take the point P and draw the PD line which will be perpendicular to my PC line. So I have drawn one line PD which is perpendicular to the BC line. So now champ, that will intersect the semicircle at the point capital D. Now champ, after getting the point capital D, simply take P as a center, PD as a radius, and draw two arcs on the given circle at a point T and T dash. And in the last, simply join the point T and T dash with the point P in order to get two tangents. So champ, in this one, what we have done, that champ, in this one, first of all, we have drawn a secant PAB which will be intersecting the circle at point A and B. Then simply extend AP up to the PC such that AP will be equal to PC champ. Then we have drawn one semicircle, BC as a diameter of that. After that, we have drawn one line PD, right, which will be perpendicular on the BC. And that line PD, D is the point on that semicircle. Now simply in the last, take P as a center and PD as a radius, draw two arcs on the given circle at a point T and T dash. In the last champ, simply join T and T dash with the P. You will get two tangents on a given circle from an external point without the information of the center. I hope it is clear. Very good. So champ, let's say it is given that the angle between two tangents is 60 degrees. If the angle between two tangents is 60 degrees, then champ, the angle between the two radii will be the supplementary angle of 60, which is 120 degrees. So by that information, we can draw such two radii which are having the angle 120 degree between them. Now champ, let's say these two radii are intersecting the circle at A and B. Now from A and B, simply draw two perpendicular lines by making sure that angle is 90 degree, because we know that angle between radii and the tangent is always 90 degree. So now champ, from point A and B, we have drawn such two perpendicular, and when we extend these two perpendicular lines, these two lines will be meeting at a common point. which we can say that the external point from which we are drawing two tangents. So champ, in this one what we have done, the angle between the two tangents is given. So we can say angle AOB will be 120 degree. So by that information, we have drawn two radius OA and OB with the angle 120 degree. And from point A and B, we have drawn two tangents by making sure that they are perpendicular, and you got your answer. I hope it is clear. So now champ, let's summarize our class. So in this class, we have seen that how to construct a tangent at a given point if we know the center and center is unknown. Then in further case, we have seen that how to draw two tangents from an external point with the same two cases where the center is known and center is unknown. And in the last, the most important one, we have seen that if we know the angle between the two tangents, then we can draw the two tangents with the help of the supplementary angle property. So now champ, don't forget to practice. Make sure that you are practicing hard and practice the previous year question also. So that's all for this class. Keep smiling. Bye-bye.